Okay, Snapchat is one of the most gatekept platforms, but it's a platform you can actually make a lot of money from. And the only reason that I know this is because I actually have 342,000 followers on Snapchat. And I'll pull it up on my phone right now, but I have made thousands of dollars from Snapchat. You can see this was some of my earnings in January, and I made $668 on a single day for some of the Snapchat stories that ran. I actually had multiple days where I made over $600, which is absolutely insane. And you could see on the days that I'm actually posting consistently, I'm usually getting between like $72 to almost $700 every single day from the posts that are going up on Snapchat stories. So in this video, I want to show you how it actually works and the step-by-step system used to actually get monetized on Snap so you can make extra money from it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to refer to the social media monetization cheat sheet that I built, which if you want to access it, it'll be the first link in the description. It shows you guys exactly how every single social media platform works and how you can make money from it. If we scroll down, we could get to the Snapchat section, and we can start by looking at monetization requirements. Now, the first monetization requirement is that you're not going to get monetized unless you have a Snapchat star. And a Snap star is basically this little star right next to your name that basically signifies that you are a verified creator. Now, you can actually try to become a Snap star by going on Snapchat's website and filling out this form. And once again, I'd really recommend that you get at least 50,000 followers before applying because you're not going to get accepted otherwise. But from here, you're much more likely to get accepted if you have a lot of followers on other platforms like on your Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, but also if you have a lot of news articles written about you. If you're in the news in any sort of way and you can actually reference that to show that you are a real person, you're much more likely to be accepted by Snapchat. But the truth is, a lot of the time people don't get accepted through this form. So I personally recommend trying this form first. And if it doesn't work, then you can apply to this agency's form. That this is the one that helped me get monetized and a bunch of my friends get a Snap star and get monetized on Snap. But basically apply here once you have more than 50K followers with all the data, and they'll reach out to you helping you get monetized on Snap. But if you're not at 50,000 followers yet, I want to show you the easy way to get to 50,000 followers because it's actually a little bit overpowered with the method that I'm about to show you. So the way that it works is Snapchat is basically split into two separate things. You have story posts like this, and then you have spotlight posts, which spotlight is literally basically just like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts where you can scroll on a feed and you just get short form video like this. Posting to Snapchat Spotlight is the easiest way to grow on Snapchat by far. And you can open the app and manually post a spotlight. That's one way to post. But what I actually did was I used something called Repurpose to get all my videos that were already on Instagram to Snapchat automatically. So I'll leave the link to Repurpose in the description. You can just create an account. And once you create an account, basically what it lets you do is it lets you set up automations between your social media platforms. And as you guys can see, Instagram is my main social media platform, so I post on there manually, but everything else gets automatically reposted to every other social media platform, as you can see here. What you can even do is you can create a workflow. So not only does the video post whenever a new video gets uploaded from your main platform to Snapchat, but you can also do it based on your existing content. So you could take all the videos that you already have on Instagram and automatically repost all of those old ones to Snapchat on a schedule. I'm not going to set this up right now because I've already done it in the past, but getting your videos on Snapchat Spotlights through Repurpose is by far the easiest thing you could do because you could just go to your account and then just click post as a spotlight and it'll start posting. And since Snapchat Spotlight is basically the exact same as any other social media platform where you just scroll on it as if it's literally like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, it's actually really easy to hit the 50K follower threshold. So once you do that and you get your Snap star, that's when you'll get monetized. And the payments are around 5 cents to 25 cents per 1,000 views on stories, but only around 1 cent per 1,000 views on spotlights. So I think once you get monetized on Snapchat, the goal is to post as many stories as possible. And as I said, spotlights is more when you scroll, but stories are more like this, where you can click and continuously click to see each slide on the stories. So stories are kind of more of a compilation of videos and photos, whereas spotlights are just one single photo or video at a time. I think it's only video actually for spotlight. So yeah, that's basically how it works, but let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions about that. And our mission here is to help you guys grow and make more money across your social media platforms. So if you believe that we delivered on that mission today, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one, and peace.